If your Squarespace links look old and messy because of the underline, you have come to the right place, my friend. In this video, I will show you how to remove underline from all links in Squarespace. In addition to that, I'll also show you how to remove them only on a specific page of your website. Plus, you will also learn how to remove underline links on site navigation or on specific content blocks. Moreover, if you want to add underline effects to your links when someone hovers over them, I will also show you how to do that. So stick to this video until the end and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your Squarespace account. After that, in order to remove the underline from all links on your website, you will just go to pages, then scroll down and go to custom code, click custom CSS, and then from here you can put the code, the custom CSS code that will be responsible for removing the underline from all links on your website. So to get that code, it's very simple. I will leave you the code in the description so you can use it. This is the code actually. So this code, the CSS code, will remove the underline from all links on your website. As you can see, if I remove this code, if you look at the links, they still have the underline here. And if I add the code back here, now the underline got removed. After that, you just click save and that's it. That's how you remove underline from all links on your website. Now let's say you only want to remove underline only on a specific page on your website. Let's say for example you want to remove underlines only on the about page. To do that, you just hover on the about page here and you click this settings icon, and then you go to advanced here, and here you're gonna add the code that will remove the underlines. It will be specific for the about page. I will give you the code. As you can see, I will get it here. As you can see, this is the code responsible for that. So I will just add it and click save. And if I go to the about page here, as you can see, the link is not underlined. And if I remove that code, the links will become underlined again. I click save. As you can see, go down, this is the link has underline, and to remove that you just click here, advanced, put the code and click save, and now you don't have underline here. And that's how it's done for a specific page. Now let's say you wanna, I don't know, let's say you wanna remove the underlines for the navigation on your website. To do that, you will just go do the same steps again, the pages, and you go scroll down, go to custom CSS, and then you're gonna paste this code. This is the code responsible for removing the underline on the header navigation. As you can see, dot header nav a text decoration none. That's it. And after that you click save. You can also add this code, as you can see here, to remove underline from links on specific content blocks. As you can see, if I add the code here, the underline gets removed from this content block. And after that you just click save again. And if you want the underline effect to only show up when you hover over a link, you can just come here to custom CSS and add this code here, and then click save. Now if I come and hover over this link, it should show me underline. I think now it's not showing because I didn't add the important here. Add important and click save. Now if I come and hover over here, as you can see, whenever I hover over this link, there is an underline effect. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you stick until the end, please give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and let's see you in the next video.